Microsoft has released the May 2026 security update for Windows 10, known as KB5087544. This update adds secure boot status information to Windows security, fixes remote desktop issues, and includes an important BitLocker warning for some users. Here's everything you need to know. KB5087544 updates Windows 10 version 22H22, Windows 10 build 19045.7291. This is a security update, but it also includes a few useful improvements. The biggest change is a new secure boot status section in the Windows Security app. You can now easily check whether secure boot is enabled and whether your certificates are up to date. Microsoft is also rolling out updated secure boot certificates ahead of older certificate expiration in June 2026. This update fixes a display issue that caused remote desktop security warning dialogues to appear distorted on multi-monitor setups with different scaling settings. Some enterprise devices may ask for the BitLocker recovery key after the first restart. This only affects systems using specific TPM and secure boot policy settings, and the prompt should appear only once. KB5087544 also includes the latest servicing stack update to improve future update reliability. Windows 10 KB5087544 is an important security update that adds secure boot status reporting and fixes several issues. If you're still using Windows 10, this update is recommended. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.